While some might say it's better to stand out, when it comes to our infrastructure, Liberty believes it's best to blend in. In 2022, Well 16 was an exposed well site located in a residential neighborhood. The exposed site was unsightly and was noisy. To help address these issues and to continue providing reliable quality water service to the residents of Apple Valley, Liberty embarked on a rebuild of the well. This included updating equipment and constructing an enclosure that looks like a residential home to better blend in with the neighborhood and reduce noise.
We've got a new building, kind of made it look and fit to the neighborhood. That's going to take care of all of the noise complaints here.
This new infrastructure will help reduce maintenance costs and will increase the life of the well. Well 16 was put back into service in August 2023 and is capable of contributing 1,200 gallons per minute of quality water to help meet our customers' needs. We build for the future, and by making prudent investments in our infrastructure, we can continue providing safe, reliable water service to our current and future customers in Apple Valley. Liberty, energy and water for life.